Welcome back for another video. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to install a peel and stick floor. This is modern. You see that everywhere now. In any big houses you can see peel and stick floor. In the living room, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, everywhere people put peel and stick floor because it's easy to install, easy to clean. So the one I'm gonna use today is named stayplace. As you can see right here, it's one of the best one on the market right now. It's not too expensive. As you can see, it's a light nice gray, and it's a 3 mm thickness and can last you up to 15 years. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you in detail how to install that. So all the material gonna be posted at the description below. You just need to click on the link and then you're gonna see every single thing. So first thing to do is open your box and find the center of your room. So for me it's gonna be easy because my floor right now it's a hardwood. So as you can see, all I need to do is follow the line of the hardwood, and then I can just place the peel and stick floor right on top of it. If you have a ceramic or anything else, you may need to draw a line to have a better idea how straight it's gonna be.
Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many.
So it's important that you put first your square, your precision square on the floor, just to have a straight line, and then put the second or the third peel and stick floor right beside it. So when you have your first line of floor in the room, you're all good to go. You just need to peel and then stick it at the side, and then you go as fast as you can.
I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. Oh no. Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of sin.
So you may find it's challenging for the second line because you will need to cut some pieces, because you don't want all the floor to be ending at the same level. You need at least to finish it 6 inch before the first one. So never be equal, they have to be at least 6 inch separate or the off distance, as you can see right here. So you use your precision square and get your marker and then cut it, and then you're good to go.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels
So after putting the last peel and stick floor, all you need to do is find your baseboard and then you install your baseboard. So when your baseboard is installed, I can tell you, you're gonna see the difference. It's really major compared to any other floor you can install in your house. It's really nice, it's really clean, it's big, it's like I don't know, for me it's a magic. It's really changed my life of renovation. I love that, guys. And if you want to do a project like this, guys, it's important, go ahead, do the same thing. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on this channel, because as I said, always I'm gonna post video for you every week, just to help you not only save money but also to challenge yourself about do it by yourself. Thanks for watching.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face.